All right, today I'm at a duplex and one of the water heaters is not on and the pilot light won't stay on. So I took this burner assembly out so I can clean the thermocouple. So you'll see me cleaning the thermocouple here. Now I'll find out later that that's not the issue and I end up replacing the entire gas control valve, and you can find that video on my channel. So I'm taking this soft bristle brush here, it's brass bristles there, and I'm going to brush this thermocouple. Normally, and usually probably the best practice, would be to keep a piece of emery cloth, which is a very fine sandpaper, and just rub the sandpaper on there. Again, it has to be really fine sandpaper though, you don't want to ruin anything. So then you just clean it up, and then you got to slide this back in here. And each of these, that's the gas valve, that is the thermocouple connection, and then the pilot light is this one here. So then you just got to put all these back in and then tighten down all of the nuts. Now you want to make sure you hand tighten these nuts first before you take any type of crescent wrench or regular wrench or pliers or anything to them. The best thing to do would be to use a open-ended adjustable wrench or crescent wrench is what I normally call it. Anyway, so you want to get all these started. I had a little bit of trouble with this really fine thread thermocouple one, so get that all on there and then screw in the assembly in the bottom and then turn it on and hopefully it lights, right? Well, thanks for watching. Hit the like button.